Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a haul video from Nykaa. Here we go. I ordered a few things about a few days ago, and I thought why not do an unboxing with you guys right here. So I'll show you some of the things that I've picked up, and yeah, let's get started. Number one and foremost, I really needed another one of those toners. Like I've told you, toner is very important for your skin regime. I've been using the Clinique toners for many years now, for way too long. I just can't even remember, and I love them and I would recommend them to anybody. But I thought, why not give it a try to something different, something new. I've heard a lot of rave about this L'Oreal Paris Hydrafresh Antiox hydrating water, or spa water I think it's called. It has really good reviews online. First of all, the packaging is amazing. It's very hefty. It's a glass bottle. It's really nice. It's really good, and it's only 130 ml. It's not a lot of product in it, but the reviews, like I said, are really good. That's one of the reasons I wanted to check it out. I wanted to see how good this product really is, if it even does anything for your skin. What Clinique toners are, I'm not sure. There was only one of these L'Oreal ones there. I don't think I've seen any other toners. Clinique mein kya hai, that is skin specific, from dry to normal, combination, oily. There are different skin variations that you can buy, but anyhow, I wanted to give this one a try. I cannot tell you just yet. I've only tried it twice. The only thing I can tell you is it's quite thick in consistency. It's not as liquidy or watery as the Clinique ones are. Uske liye cotton pads use karne padte hain. But for this, you'll have to, I think, put it on your fingers and dab it onto your face. But I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated on as to how good this product really is. I can't really tell you right now. Thoda time, at least a month to use karke, then only I can tell you if it even does anything for the skin, or if it doesn't, if it's even worth buying. Next thing I picked up was a night cream. Night creams are very important, for me at least. It should be for you also. This is the one that I've gotten my hands on. I haven't even opened it up yet. This is the L'Oreal Hydrafresh Hydration Antiox Active Night Mask in Jelly. Again, I picked this up because it had really good reviews online. Currently, I'm using the Olay night cream and I love it. It's really good. I'm on my second bottle of Olay, and I'm loving it so far. So, like, again, I wanted to change it up since winters are coming in. But this is a jelly. I didn't realize it when I was buying it. Jelly is a very light texture. Ye perfect hota summers ke liye. But nevertheless, not a problem. I'll use facial oils on top of that because I have super dry skin in the winters. I wanted to give this a try. Again, I'll let you know in a few weeks time, or in a couple of weeks times, how this one works for me. This seems like a L'Oreal. I am not sponsored by L'Oreal. It just so happened that I've picked up a lot of L'Oreal products. This is another mask. I've used all of their masks and I love them. This is my second bottle, my second container of this mask. This is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask and Detoxify. This is like the charcoal one. It's really good in tightening your pores. It gives you a clean, fresh feeling after the 15-20 minutes that you put this on. Hafte mein 2 bari, put it on your face, wash it off with warm water. It's really good. You will love it. Try it if you have not. I highly recommend this. The other products I mentioned in my previous makeup tutorial video that I did was a glittery eye. It was this, what is it called? Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Shadows. And उस video में मैंने बोला था that I've ordered a few more. So yes, I've got my hands on the other 3 colors that I've ordered. Baki out of stock says why I couldn't even get them. So I'll do a swatch. I'll insert a picture of all the swatches that I do of these metallic liquid eyeshadows right here after this. I picked up one just because I wanted to try it out if it's even good or not, but gosh, these are really good. The other thing you have to be aware about is जो चीज़ें online आपको दिखती हैं, the swatches that they put out, they are not as nearly as comparable as they are in real life. मतलब जो color real life में आपको दिखता है, they are exactly not the same. They're very different. Have a look. Go ahead and try them for yourselves, and they're only $200. I'm sorry, 200 bucks. They're really cheap. Give it a try. Next is this product that I've picked up by Makeup Revolution London. I've got a lot of neutral palettes in my collection. I did have a few colorful shadows, but I really wanted something vibrant or colorful, so I picked up this. I haven't really played around with this as yet. It looks very promising, but I'm not sure if the colors are going to be as pigmented as it looks in the pan, which usually they won't be. But there are lots of ways you can play around with it, so I'm gonna give that a try. Last but not least are these makeup sheets. I've tried many of them. These were the current ones that I was not working on, sorry. These are by Garnier. These are easily available nowadays. These are quite good. I've tried the Nykaa ones also. I didn't really like them. There was just too much liquid in the packet. It was just drooling all over the face and the chin and the neck area. I didn't really like it. And the sheet itself was not of a good quality. It just wasn't good. It just didn't do anything for me. It was just like some sort of liquid on a sheet from Nykaa. I didn't really like it. So anyway, I've gotten my these were new by L'Oreal. There are different ones. There's a Revitalift for anti-aging, for skin plumping, skin elasticity, radiance. Yeah, these are the ones that are new. I haven't had the chance to try them out. I'll let you know how I like these. These just, whatever glow you get from these, it's just temporary. जैसे आप TV पे ad नहीं आ रही आजकल, the one with Sara Ali Khan using the Garnier mask sheets and her face is all glowy and fresh and all that good stuff. वो सब temporary होता है. This gives you a temporary glow. If you want a really nice, clean, tight pores glow on your skin, obviously eating healthy, and second is those face masks that you get in jars or tubes, or you can even make them at home. So yeah, that is it from my side from today. Thank you so much for watching, and watch out for the video where I give you the actual reviews on how I actually like these products while I try them on. So that will not be coming up anytime soon. I would require a few weeks to try these before I can give you an honest review. And yeah, that is it from now. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.